been a bit later, and here's the two other units, vintage ones I traded the modern rooms for. Got both of these and trade for the two new units and 50 bucks. So this one here is a Crossley. It's a 5000 BTU made by Whirlpool. Actually, no. This one's made by Emerson. I don't know why I said Whirlpool. I don't know where the little louvers are to move the grates. Not sure if it's automatic air swing or not, but it does work. So we'll just kind of shove the thermocouple in there, hopefully. Hopefully in the path of the airstream, that would be nice. And not down by the middle ledge where it's not going to be in the airstream. It should be good. Have it all the way down on cool. We'll fire it up on quiet. This thing sounds really good. It shakes a bit. I think the fan's off balance, so this is a window shaker. This one will drop temps quickly. Out of the two of these, this one blew colder. He said that this one may actually have a small refrigerant leak, which I'm not surprised if it does. It's Fetters. This one's actually under the brand name Room Air, which is a rebadge, but the inside said it was Fetters. But yeah, this is what this one looks like. So yeah, apparently Emerson rebranded Crossley units, so that's nice. Here's the back side of it. I've seen rebranded Crossleys that were actually Whirlpools. Has a bit of a ding here. Said both of these are low hour units. These were not really used that much, and I can tell. And they were literally nearly clean. The only thing that was really dirty on them was the condenser coil. But I will say, these reciprocating compressors are very, very, very quiet. I'm pretty sure the grill for my 8K Emerson will work. Sadly, all the foam that was on the unit had deteriorated. Here's a bit of the remains of it here in the vent, if I can actually pull it out some way, somehow. Filter's in okay condition. It has a bit of deterioration, but I won't worry about that. The filter in that one's mint. May or may not pull off the front grill. We're doing 65. Here's normal. Here's super. And the fan only actually clicks over. I don't think this has like a constant run setting. Both of these need side panels, but I'll figure something out for that. For some reason, the back of this, I'm looking at the Crossley logo, and I keep thinking it says Carrier. I don't know why, but that's what comes to mind. And darn, that recip sounds good. Yeah, the top of the case feels warm. Nice and cool. I wonder if you have to take off the grill to manually adjust those vents. I don't know. Most of the air comes out on this side and that side. Try to get a good compressor sound for you. See what our Arctic blast is. See if I can figure out what compressor this is. I'm gonna guess it's some sort of Tecumseh. This thing's definitely made by Emerson because I see one of those EQK stickers on top of the compressor. So this is an Emerson made unit. I'm gonna guess Tecumseh. Oh, there's a data plate. I'll find out when I take this apart. But yeah, it's just the rebranded Emerson. That means the front grill for my 8K Emerson would fit on it. So I may actually put that grill on there because I think that looks a bit better, but these Crossley branded units are kind of uncommon. Thing blows ice cubes. Probably a 70s unit, I'm gonna guess. It's an oddity. It's an oddity for sure. Still has a certification tag. I'm not sure if I can really find a date on there. The thing does shake a lot. That's like the big downside of this unit, is it just shakes. It's a window shaker. The fan on it's definitely off balance. And I even noticed that with the compressor off, it still does that. But darn, that feels good. 159. It has the handle here just like the Emerson's. I actually really like that feature. It's a bit too cold to actually hear the refrigerant noise. Interesting to see a Crossley that's actually made by Emerson and not Whirlpool. Anyway, we'll go fire up the fetters in the next video.